this kitchen was outdated, worn out, and lacking storage. But look at it now. For $40,000, we completely transformed it with custom Amish cabinets, stunning quartzite countertops, and smart storage solutions. Stick around to see how we made the most of this space without moving any walls. Hey everyone, I'm Callie with JSB Home Solutions, and today we're walking through one of our recent kitchen remodel projects. The homeowners wanted more storage, better functionality, and an updated style, but they didn't want to change the layout or move walls, which makes them a perfect fit for JSB. Let's take a look at what we started with, the challenges we solved, and how the final design came together. This kitchen had definitely seen better days. The old stained wood cabinets were scratched up and even missing a couple drawers. The fake crystal knobs were outdated and storage was a big issue. Plus, the cabinets weren't even centered around the window, which made the space feel off balance. We started by removing all of the old cabinets and countertops and replaced them with new Amish-made cabinets in the color Urban Bronze. The doors are the Hilton style, and the drawers are slab style. And of course, all of the doors and drawers are soft close hinges and glides. For storage in this kitchen, we added this island that has big open shelves behind these doors, and this is perfect for storing larger kitchen items that you don't want to leave sitting out on your counters. We also added these deep drawers next to the sink, which are perfect for storing pots and pans. And these deep drawers are a new trend that we're seeing in kitchens. Instead of having doors with cabinets down below, it's a lot easier to access this drawer that automatically pulls out to you. We also built this custom bench cabinet for some more added storage. This is also really good for smaller kitchen appliances, crock pots, things that you don't want taking up counter space. One of my favorite storage features in this kitchen is the cookie sheet pull-out. This is perfect for storing large cookie sheets, cutting boards vertically so that I can just pull out the one I want without having to dig through a pile in a drawer. Now let's talk about the cabinets around the window. The old cabinets were standard sizes and they just didn't fit the space very well. Since our cabinet manufacturer can make both standard and custom sizes, we were able to build a cabinet that fit perfectly in this awkward corner. And it made the whole area just feel more balanced. This homeowner also chose some premium upgrades that really took this kitchen to the next level. First is these beautiful quartzite countertops. Now, quartzite is a more expensive material than quartz or granite, but its natural beauty and its dramatic veining are unmatched. They also upgraded to a glass subway tile backsplash, which reflects the light beautifully and adds a high-end touch. And then there's this huge stainless steel farmhouse sink. And I love this choice for smaller kitchens, especially ones that don't have a dishwasher, because it's deep and it's wide and you can fit whole cookie sheets, pots and pans in here without struggling to get them in the sink. So, what does a kitchen like this cost? A project this size typically falls between $30,000 and $40,000. This one came in at the top of that range, $40,000. because of the quartzite countertops and the glass tile backsplash. The new fridge and microwave weren't part of our contract, but we did make sure that the design worked seamlessly with them. This remodel proves that even in a small kitchen and without moving walls, you can get a fully customized look that's both beautiful and functional. If you're thinking about remodeling your kitchen, we'd love to help. Reach out to JSB Home Solution for a free consultation and let's start designing your dream kitchen. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions or tell us what your favorite feature is. We'll see you in the next one.